Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insights into the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of art supplies. And I have to say, I'm excited about what we've got in store for you. If you're an artist, a hobbyist, or just someone who loves to get creative, you're in for a treat because we're taking a close look at what I consider to be the best paintbrush set available right now. Introducing the Caliart Acrylic Paint Set with 12 brushes and 24 colors. Now, let me tell you why I believe this set stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about quality. These premium paints glide on smoothly, dry quickly, and retain their vibrancy over time. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, you'll appreciate the rich pigments and creamy consistency of these acrylic paints. And versatility? Oh, it's got it in spades. From canvas art to Christmas decorations, from rocks to Halloween pumpkins, this set is your go-to for all your creative projects. Plus, it's suitable for artists of all ages, making it the perfect gift for anyone with a passion for painting. Now, let's talk about these brushes. With 12 high-quality brushes included, you'll have everything you need to unleash your creativity. Whether you're working on fine details or covering large areas, these brushes deliver consistent results every time. And here's the best part, cleanup is a breeze. Since these paints are water-based and non-toxic, you can easily clean your brushes and workspace with just soap and water. No need to worry about harmful chemicals or messy cleanup. So, whether you're a professional artist, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who loves to get crafty, the Caliart Acrylic Paint Set is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And there you have it, folks. That's my take on the Caliart Acrylic Paint Set with 12 brushes and 24 colors. If you're interested in picking up one for yourself or as a gift for a fellow creative soul, I've included a link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy painting!